As a U.S. Army veteran, Veterans Day is more than a date on the calendar. It's a moment to reflect, honor, and give thanks. It's a time to pause and recognize the extraordinary sacrifices made by the men and women who've worn the uniform and those who continue to serve today. We are proud to be a veteran-owned and operated business. Our foundation is built on the values of discipline, integrity, and service, values that guide our work every single day. My own family includes both active duty service members and veterans. Their courage, resilience, and unwavering commitment to our country are a constant source of inspiration, not just to me, but our entire team. Veterans are more than heroes of the past. They are leaders of the present. They bring strength, perspective, and purpose to every corner of our society. From the battlefield to the boardroom, their impact is undeniable. At IT Pros Management, we're honored to work alongside veterans who continue to serve, this time through innovation, cybersecurity, and digital transformation. Their leadership helps us protect businesses, empower teams, and build resilient IT infrastructures. We also proudly support organizations that uplift, care for our veteran community. Groups like Wounded Warriors, Tunnel to Towers, the Gary Sinise Foundation, and many others. These organizations provide housing, healing, education, and hope to those who have given so much. This Veterans Day, we encourage you to take action, attend a local ceremony, reach out to a veteran, share their story, and most importantly, support the organizations and businesses that are making a difference. Support veteran organizations, shop veteran-owned businesses, hire veterans, advocate for their needs. Every action counts. From all of us at IT Pros Management, thank you to our veterans. Your service, the foundation of our freedom, your legacy is our responsibility, and your courage will never be forgotten.